Section 6-8, Markup and Discount. Before we start with markup and discount, let's do a review of how we find a percent of a number, because we'll be using this skill in this section. Find 25% of 35. To find 25% of 35, we're first going to convert 25% to a decimal. We know that 25% is out of 100, so that would be 0.25 or 25 hundredths. Then we simply take 35, multiply it by 0.25, 15, 17, 10, and 7, and 8. Move the decimal over 2 places, 1, 2. So 8.75 is 25% of 30. Again, change the percent to a decimal and then multiply. Let's look at some example problems for how we're going to use this. The ASB store buys Snicker bars for 50 cents. They need to add a markup before they sell them to the students so they can make money. If they charge a 35% markup, how much will they sell them for? Well, first we need to take our 50 cents and multiply it by 0.35. We're finding 35% of 50 cents. So if I do the math, move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about 17.5 cents. So I'm going to round up and say that the markup should be 18 cents. So what that says is that 35% markup would be 18 cents. But if I look back at the question, it's asking how much will they sell them for? So when we're dealing with markup, we take the original price that they paid for the candy bars, which is 50 cents, add the markup, which would be 18 cents, and the ASB store would then sell the candy bars for 68 cents. This way they can make money by selling Snicker bars. Pause the movie now, copy this problem, the words, and the steps and solution into your notes. We're also going to learn how to find discount. The last one was markup, which tells us how much extra to charge on something. A discount means we're going to save some money. So the ASB store has too many school spirit t-shirts. In order to sell more, we're going to offer a 25% discount. One piece that we forgot in this is that the t-shirts are $12 per shirt. So the first thing I'm going to do is find how much they will save. If a shirt is $12, I'm going to find 25% of that because that's my 25% discount, 0.25. Forward 2 times 1 is 2. Move the decimal 2 places. Looks like I will be saving $3 on my ASB shirt. Then it says, what will the final sale price be? Well, if it's a discount, it was originally $12. I'm going to save $3. I will buy the shirt for $9. This is how we find discount. When you have problems with discount, be careful. Sometimes they want to know how much you will save. Other times they want to know the final sale price. So make sure you read the problem carefully. Pause the movie now, copy this problem and these steps into your notes and bring them to class tomorrow.